school administration, faculty and staff, PTA president, and our honored guests. Let's welcome the graduates of batch 2025-2026. ABM, Kahimtong Vincent P. With his escort, Mrs. Hermohenia Kahimtong. Casimina Angela E. With his escort, Mrs. Lilia Casimina. Embalsado Clifford M. With his escort, Mr. Edmond C. Embalsado. Malahos Fritz Lloyd L. With his escort, Mrs. Cassie Lastimosa. Santos EJ.A. With his escort, Mrs. LVP Alconera. Sobrekiria Bert McCracken D. With his escort, Miss Emily Natal. Solis Vance Gerald D. With his escort, Mrs. Vedafi D. Solis. Ibas Jimmy Jr. L. With his escort, Miss Jeneline Ibas. Delia Gracia Vincent J.S. With his escort, Miss Novian Grace Solis.
Alconera Roelyn P. With her escort, Mrs. Evelyn T. Alconera. Calungsod Antoinette S. With her escort, Mr. Nestor H. Delicti. Gimagan Chesley J. V. With her escort, Mrs. Amy V. Gimagan. Lunggakit Luella Paula R. With her escort, Mrs. Noliza D. Riquelme. Lucero Maria Zigueña R. With her escort, Mrs. Pinchel Joy Relampago. Miliar Alea A. With her escort, Mr. Jeffrey R. Miliar. Pangilan Isaiah Faith. With her escort, Mrs. Shelo May Encordas. Sasuman Keziah Yetzel T. With her escort, Mrs. Wayland T. Sasuman. Silva Jaya C. With her escort, Mr. George Silva.
General Academic Strand, Adlaon Jolan E. With his escort, Mr. Arnel M. Adlaon. Marion Brennan J. M. With his escort, Mrs. Jeremy M. Lanyo. Miguel Clark Evans M. With his escort, Mr. Crisostomo Miguel.
Aliniar Bea Dominique. With her escort, Mrs. Alea Car A. Madeloso. Asjali Penelope A. With her escort, Mrs. Ilona Joy A. Asjali. Barsalote Aubrey R. With her escort, Mrs. Angelina R. Barsalote. Cancerians Rain Stephanie F. With her escort, Mr. Sator G. Canciran. Cortez Jezabel C. With her escort, Mrs. Javel C. Cortez. De La Torre Shane Yu B. With her escort, Mr. Gerardo De La Torre. Perez Krishnan Hort B. With her escort, Mr. and Mrs. Mario B. Perez. Plaza Joylene James A. With her escort, Mrs. Mary A. Plaza. Routine Angel May L. With her escort, Mrs. Emily R. Macapas.
ICT CSS, Cinco John Larry, with his escort, Mrs. Eleanor C. Cinco. Banuelos J.N. Cole W. with his escort, Mrs. Jeneline W. Banuelos. Wrigley Miles J. John P. with his escort, Mr. Nergy S. Wrigley. Joselny A. Lagnason.
Ano?
Virtual DJ.
Rayon James A. with his escort, Mrs. Mary Rose A. Rayon. Rodelia Richard N. with his escort, Mrs. Jorda M. Rodelia.
Alceo Fritchie A. with her escort, Mrs. Lizen R. Mila. Bacolod Cassandra Ellie D. with her escort, Mrs. Precious Emerald Defante. Eleuterio Shane L. with her escort, Mrs. Joanna C. Eleuterio.
As a display of our respect and love for our nation, let us witness the solemn entrance of colors to be carried with dignity by our student representatives. And please remain standing as we participate in the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the rendition of the provincial hymn and Silog March, to be led by Joylyn Jane A. Plaza with honors. Following that, let's remain in a spirit of solemnity as we invite Alea A. Miliar with honors to lead us in an invocation.